Centennial Glass Depot sells, repairs, and installs a full range of windows and doors, specialty glass, mirrors, and more for residential and commercial customers. We have been serving Ottawa and the surrounding areas since 1967. Today, I will be talking to you about glass shower enclosures. The benefit of a glass shower enclosure go beyond just being beautiful and the focal point of your bathroom. Additional benefits include easy maintenance. A frameless glass shower enclosure is very easy to maintain. Since there is often very little metal, the age of your shower enclosure will not show. Durability. Because frameless glass shower enclosures are made with thicker safety glass that is tempered, they last 3 to 4 times longer than a framed glass shower. The glass is sturdy and strong enough to use with minimal metal bracketing and support. Appearance. A frameless shower enclosure is more beautiful than a traditional shower. Not only will you and your family enjoy your shower, it may also increase the value of your home or make it easier to sell. At Centennial Glass, we provide the option of tinted or textured glass to accentuate. Plus, we provide your choice of hardware color, from brass to brushed nickel. Serving Ottawa, Nepean, Canada, Orleans, and the Ottawa Valley for over 40 years. Our courteous staff is happy to find you a solution for your glass door requirements. Call us at 613-738-9500 or visit our website at www.centennialglass.com.